So I've just cobbled myself together a little fly cutter. I cannibalised one of the tool post carriers from my lathe. I had a couple spare, and that's the boring bar from the lathe. There was an old tool that I've cannibalised with a Morse taper, and many TIG welding around here. Hopefully it doesn't fly off and murder me to death, but I thought I'd just skim the head a little bit. It's a bit grotty in between these two cylinders and between there. So I'm just going to take a little bit off and see if it works. Hopefully it does, but we'll soon see, won't we? That's the first pass, but the tip was blunt, so I've just changed the tip round. Hopefully it'll be a bit nicer on the way back. Pretty hard to get one-handed, but I hope we have automated feed. So it does seem to be cutting much nicer with that nice new tip on it. I'll come back when it's nearly done. Whatever it is, on its final pass, I think that'll do. Not worried about that because that's a hole in the gasket anyway there for waterways. Everything else is lovely. The old shitty milling machine surprised me there. It was a bit wibble wobble, but it's done it. And the tool worked, didn't it? Lovely.